The Mac Mini has a new design, it is more powerful than ever, and has better ports than ever. Let's unbox the M4-powered Mac Mini together. This launched alongside of a brand new version of the MacBook Pro and the iMac in November of 2024. Apple has redesigned the Mac Mini to make it even smaller at just 5 by 5 inches. This thing is absolutely tiny, and it looks great perched on a desktop. This can be configured with either the new M4 chip or the M4 Pro chip. You can't max it out with the M4 Max chip. Inside of the box, you will find a braided power cable, which is surprisingly long, and some product documentation that has a little bit of a different form factor to it if you want to flip through and learn about your Mac Mini. There are ports on the front of the Mac Mini for the very first time. Those are USB-C ports, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. And on the back of the Mac Mini, you're going to find 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Unless you upgrade it to the M4 Pro chip, then you'll have Thunderbolt 5 ports. The power button is on the bottom, which some people were freaked out about, but that was a non-issue for me. The HDMI port does 8K output, so if you have a super high resolution monitor, you can enjoy those great graphics with the M4 Mac Mini. Overall, this is such a versatile computer, and when you compare it to the previous generation, yeah, it truly lives up to the name Mini. I got the computer before it was released to the public as a special loaner review from Apple. So if you have any questions about this computer or the M4 chip, I've been using it for video production work, some graphic design stuff, and gaming. Please hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you want to know about the new Mac Mini. And if you thought this video was helpful or interesting, hey, subscribe to the channel. Truly, even your one subscription today will make a huge difference for me being able to reach new people, because YouTube will recommend my videos to more people. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want more of the Mac Mini, check out my full review.